Hey and welcome to Alpha. Today is a Friday, the best day of the week, because soon we have a weekend, right? But of course, we are going to run Alpha 1 iBot again. It's a free binary option robot that you also can run completely for free. Just use the link you see up there right now. This robot trade Forex and crypto pairs, also known. Also, if you like this type of videos, make sure you hit that like button right away. Yes, you hit that like button. And if you have any question, put them below the video. And if you're not a subscriber, subscribe to this channel if you are a lazy person but like to make money. Because basically I'm teaching you how to run robots. And lastly, as you can see lately, I have some videos there for I won't say cryptocurrency, I meant Forex. I have a new signal group at Telegram that you can join completely free. Link below the video for that also. And lastly, you find also below the video, you find a link to this robot I'm using, and you also find a promo code that gives you 100% on your first deposit. So make your first deposit count. Okay, let's start up this free amazing robot. And just like that, this Friday we did trade cryptocurrency, and let's see how much money we made on this trade. We made $2,107 in a matter of 7 minutes. So once again, if you want to run this robot also, you can. Link below the video. So with that, have an amazing day.